Let's tackle this governmental fund accounting question. A city received a $9 million federal grant to finance the construction of a homeless shelter. In which fund should the proceeds be recorded? And our choices are A, the permanent fund, B, the general fund, C, the capital project fund, or D, the special revenue fund. The correct answer to this multiple choice fund accounting question is C. The diversity of governmental activities and the need for legal compliance require multiple accounting entities. Now that means multiple funds. Each fund is an independent, distinct fiscal and accounting entity with a self-balancing set of accounts. The items in a fund are segregated because they relate to activities or objectives that are subject to special regulations or limitations. Funds are classified as governmental, proprietary, or fiduciary depending on their activities and their objectives. Governmental funds emphasize fiscal accountability, and they account for the non-business activities of a government and its current expendable resources, and this usually means taxes. The capital projects funds account for financial resources that are restricted, committed, or assigned to be expended for capital purposes. These resources include federal grant proceeds to be used for construction of major capital facilities, such as a homeless shelter. Now, A is incorrect because permanent funds account for resources that are restricted to the use of earnings, not the principal though, for the benefit of the government or its citizens. So an example here is a perpetual care fund for a public cemetery. B, the general fund, is also incorrect because the general fund accounts for all financial resources except those required to be accounted for in another fund, and only one general fund gets reported. Okay? Now, D is also incorrect. Special revenue funds account for restricted or committed inflows from specific revenue sources. So expenditure must be for a specified purpose, but not debt service or a capital project. So the construction of a homeless shelter represents a capital project.